In a world we're constantly bombarded with information, it's easy to lose sight of bigger picture. We are often to think, how to act, and what to believe. But what if there was a different way of looking at this world? A way that challenges our preconceived notions and encourages us to think critically about our surroundings. But before that, hayaan niyo muna akong magpakilala kung sino kami o ano nga ba ang pakay namin sa inyo. Ako nga pala si Precious, kasama ko si Karil, Chelsea at si Sarah, na kung saan ay aming tatalakayin ang situation ethics. Kami nga pala ang Group 13. So this is our dilemma. Imagine you are in a fifth relationship right now. Ever since your partner dream is to be an actor or actress, she wants to audition in PPP. You see her passion, effort, and sacrifices for the preparation. Luckily, she passed. During the contract signing, it's indicated that artists must be single and willing to partner with another artist to form a love team. And if found out lying, a fee of 1 million pesos is a charge for violating the said contract. Your partner is dedicated to break up with you to chase your dreams. Question: are you willing to let go your partner to achieve her dreams?
Here are five essential questions to be answered Here are five essential questions to be answered after our Ito ang magiging flow ng ating talakayan para sa araw na ito. Una, a situationism on new morality at saka the life of Joseph Fletcher na ipapaliwanag ni Precious. Susundan ito ng three approaches to morality na i-elaborate ni Sarah. And then three types of love na aking i-differentiate. And susundan nito ng explanation ni Karil tungkol sa the sixth formulation of Christian love. Next ay ang critique to situation ethics. And lastly, ang conclusion na ibabahagi ng inyong lingkod, Chelsea Zuleta.
So, ano nga ba ang situationism, which also known as the new morality advocated by Joseph Fletcher? Joseph Fletcher, he is an American Protestant medical doctor, meaning ay naniniwala siya na God is a source of healing and yung mga kagaya niya na doctor and such are just instrument ni Lord para mahil yung mga tao. At ang situationism, ayun nga, tawag siya ngayon ay the new morality at ito nga ay pinag-ugatan ng classical tradition of Christian morality. Alam naman na natin na ang ibig sabihin ng Christian morality ay meaning ay nakabase sa katuruan ng Bible at ang situationism ay may pagkakatulad sa Thomistic moral philosophy and divine command theory. Pero isa't aside muna natin yan at yung dalawa na yan. Focus tayo sa topic natin ngayon. Pero bago yan, bago tayo magpatuloy, kilalanin muna natin kung sino si Joseph Fletcher, ang nag-advocate ng situationism or the new morality. So before we proceed the discussion of what is situationism of Joseph Fletcher, let us dig deeper about his life. Joseph Fletcher was born at East Orange, New Jersey on April 10, 1905. Fletcher was an older of two children of Joseph Francis Fletcher Sr. as a businessman, and Julia Davis as a homemaker or housewife. Fletcher's life was a journey of intellectual curiosity, moral dilemmas, and the pursuit of better understanding of human nature. Joseph Fletcher's early life was marked by a strong interest in theology and philosophy. He even attended Harvard University, where he earned degrees in theology and law. His passion for moral philosophy led him to pursue a doctorate in theology at the University of Oxford. Throughout his academic career, Fletcher was a prolific writer, meaning nagproprovide ng large number of works. He also published numerous articles, books of moral philosophy, theology, and bioethics. Yung bioethics, it is a study of ethical, social, and legal issues na nag-aaral sa biomedicine and biomedical. At ang famous work nga niya is yung Situation Ethics na na-publish noong 1966 na kung saan ay naging cornerstone ng modern moral philosophy. Sa kasamaang palad ay si Joseph Fletcher namatay noong October 28, 1991 sa edad na 86. So, meron tayong tatlong principle ng the new morality. Ito ay ang legalist, anti-tyrannism, situationism. Unahin muna natin ang legalism or ang legalist. Legalists prioritize moral rules and principle, believing that they believe a clear guidance for ethical decision making. Inaagro nito na ang rules daw ay absolute and should be followed without exception. At ang sunod naman ay ang anti-tyrannism. Ito naman ay nagre-reject ng mga necessary of moral rules and sa halip ay ni-emphasize nito yung individual autonomy na dinidetermine nito ay ang ethical action that they propose na also known na each person is responsible for defining their own morality and moral choice na nag-a-arise sa own subjective conscience. At ang panghuli naman ay ang situationism or situationist kung saan ay nire-recognize nito yung influence of moral situation at nagbibigay ng factor ng moral decision making. Nag-agree sa context na kailangan ay maging maingat tayo sa pagkukonsider when we determining the appropriate course of action, and ang situationism ay malimit lang na ini-evaluate yung konsensya at intention kasi ang ayaw niya namang potential harm to each ethical situation.